Mga higala, kumusta? Napunta na itong tulumanon, paglantaw sa kagabion. Pero sa dili pa natusugdan ang ato ang panaghisgot karong gabion na mga igsoon, ato sang i-shout out kining ato ang mga likers, nag-heart sa ato ang episode ni atong niaging gabi. Tungod kay kagabi wala ta maka-live gumikan sa kabisi ninyo igsoon. Atong i-shout out si Iksan Niclao Llorente, Mr. Johnny D. Samonte, Lilian Martinez Tubigon, siyempre ko ang tagahanga, number 1 na tagahanga, Pastor Yung Monleon Makigangay Jr. of Sayog Christian Fellowship, Arturo Tubigon Jr., No Fuentes Tabares, ato ang parinti diha sa Mulabi, Zamboanga del Sur, Franz Franco Francine, Angel Morales diha sa Ukapan, San Miguel, Zamboanga del Sur, Gina Linji Martinez, Noraida Piang of Tawagan Sur, Pagadian City, o si Kuya Jurayan Miral Nabaho diha sa Cagayan de Oro City. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong suporta, paminaw, pagsunod ani ato ang tulumanon, panglantaw sa kagabion. Tonight, I want to begin not with noise, not with politics, not with arguments, but with simple and comfortable truth. Time is moving, whether we are ready or not. The clock does not pause for our fears, our doubts, or our excuses, or every second that passes is a chance either taken or lost forever. Daghan kaayo sa atong daghan kaayo ng atong mga problema karon sa personal, sa pamilya, ug bisan sa nasod. Wala nagsugod sa daotang tuyo kundi sa paglangan. We delayed decisions. We postponed responsibility. We waited for the right moment, not realizing that the moment itself was already calling us. Tonight's message is not about being reckless. It is about being awake. It is about recognizing that some doors only open once, and when they close, they do not ask if we are finally ready. They simply close. Sa atong nasod karon daghang kaayo ang nagtan-aw ra, naghula, nag-comment, nag-react, apan gamay ra kaayo ang mulihok. And that is why this message matters, because life, leadership, faith, and even nation building are shaped not by those who wait, but by those who take the chance when it is given. The Bible reminds us in Psalm chapter 90 verse 12, teach us to number our days, that we may gain a heart of wisdom. Wisdom is not just knowing what is right, it is acting while there is still time. Tonight, let us talk about courage, about timing, about obedience, about taking every chance God places before us. Because some things, some moments, some calling happen only once. We live in a time where people think life has unlimited retries, as if every missed opportunity will politely wait for us to be ready. But the truth is harsh and uncomfortable. Some chances come only once, and when they pass, they do not explain themselves. They simply leave. Daghan kaayo sa atong kinabuhi ang wala tungod kay kulang tag talento, kundili tungod kay nahadlok ta mohimo og desisyon sa hustong panahon. We delayed, we hesitated, we waited for approval that never came. Life does not pause while we overthink. The clock keeps moving, even when we are frozen in fear. Every second that passes is a silent reminder that time does not negotiate with our excuses. In our country today, we see the same pattern. So many Filipinos are waiting for the perfect moment to speak, to stand, to act. But while we wait, misinformation spreads, division deepens, and opportunities for unity slowly disappear. Nagpaabot tag mausab ang kahimtang, apan wala ta kahibalong kita diay ang kinahanglan mulihok. The Bible already warned us about this mindset. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 4 says that whoever watches the wind will not plant, and whoever looks at the clouds will not reap. In other words, if you keep waiting for ideal conditions, nothing will ever begin. Many people today are paralyzed by fear of judgment, fear of being misunderstood, fear of being attacked online, fear of losing friends, followers, or approval. And because of that fear, they choose silence even when silence becomes dangerous. Jesus himself never waited for comfort before speaking truth. He spoke when it was risky. He acted when it was inconvenient. He loved when it was costly. And that is why his life changed history. John chapter 9 verse 4 reminds us, as long as it is day, we must do the work of him who sent me. Night is coming when no one can work. There is a window of time for action, and when it closes, regret will not reopen it. Daghan kaayo tag kahibalo sa sakto ug sayo, apan pipilara ang rest para sa sakto. Look at how many chances we miss personally. A chance to fix a broken relationship, a chance to apologize sincerely, a chance to speak truth with love. We assume there will always be another opportunity until one day there isn't. The same is true for a nation. Opportunities for reform, healing, and unity do not last forever. When ignored, they turn into crisis. When postponed, they turn into chaos. Proverbs chapter 27 verse 1 warns us not to boast about tomorrow, because we do not know what a day may bring. Yet we live as if tomorrow is guaranteed and today is optional. Faith was never about waiting safely. Faith has always been about stepping forward without certainty. Hebrew chapter 11 is full of people who moved before they had answers. because obedience mattered more than comfort. Sa atong panahon karon, daghan kayo ang gusto mo comment, mo react, muhatag og husga o kanang atong husgahan ang atong isikataw. Apan gamay ra kaayo ang andam mo take sa responsibility. Taking chances does not mean being reckless. It means being faithful to the moment God places in front of you. It means choosing action over apathy, courage over convenience, truth over popularity. Esther was told, for such a time as this, that line is not just for her. It is for every person today who feels small, unsure, or afraid. You are where you are now for a reason. Who knows that a chance you are ignoring today is the very thing that could change your life tomorrow. History does not remember before or those who waited. It remembers those who acted when it mattered most, even when they were scared. Galatians chapter 6 verse 7 reminds us that we reap what we sow. If we sow faith, we harvest stagnation. If we sow courage, we harvest change. So tonight, ask yourself honestly, what chance am I avoiding because I am afraid? What decision have I been delaying even though I know it is right? Kaya ang oras dili maghula. Ang kinabuhi dili mo receive. Ug ang mga higayon nga gihatag sa Dios dili pirmi mo banat. Take the chance. Speak when truth is needed. Act when silence is easy. Choose courage, even when your voice shakes. Because in the end, the greatest regret is nothing failing. It is never trying at all. Kini ang panglantaw sa kagabhion, diin ang kahayag nagadan-an bisan pa sa kanitin. Kini inyong igsoon, higala ug alagad, Jeremias Labaho Tubigon, sa makausapa mo ingon, nga sa atong pagpangandoy ug matarong katilingban, ang kamatuoran gayud ang atong sugat. Ug sa kangit-ngit sa kasaysayan, ang tinud-anay nga pamunuan, ang labing hayag na paglaom. Hanggang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw ug pagpaminaw ni inyong higala ug ang Dios magapanalangin ug magapanalangin ug magapanalangin kanatong tanan. Maayong gabi.